Palava. My name is Imuni Feteha Imotunga and I am Manerewa High School Samoan Group's Taupo. This is my first time being a Taupo and it's my first time wearing this whole attire, and I guess it's like very meaningful to me because I get to represent my family and just showcase my pride and joy for my culture. My friends inspired me to take on this role. They saw the passion in me and I guess it just motivated me to just try it out.
My name is Wilson Sleeper. I am the Whokaimi for Manerewa High School, 2021. So my job overall is to conduct our team, conduct our choir in our awhai pese when we're in our pese ole aso formations. So basically I'm there, I guess, to do actions that tells a story that's related to the song that we sing. I just love the culture so much. I wanted to be one of the standouts in the group.
My role as a whanuma is to hype up the group or the team when they're feeling tired or exhausted. Just gotta bring that energy and that positive vibe, just to get everyone amped up and It's been a dream ever since year 9, planning, just seeing myself performing as a whanuma on that stage. But yeah, it's like coming to reality, just can't believe it. Whanuma. It's been a tough challenge, going up against some other competitors. But at the end of the day, glory back to God for this opportunity. But yeah.
I think we're ready. I think we can obviously do better. There's mistakes along the way, but it's a better outcome at the end.
I'm really looking forward to it, just to perform our piece set that we've been practicing and rehearsing over the weekends and during the weeks, and just to be able to perform our culture. And this competition is just overwhelming, but yeah, looking forward to it.
Last year COVID hit, so couldn't perform, but this year we're here, we're back stronger and we out.
To all the schools out there, good luck, wishing you the best. And hopefully looking forward to see you out there on the stage, repping our culture. 685 all the way, baby!